Welcome to CricNuts, cricket recaps and insights.
Under the radiant glow of anticipation, the Eastern Conference regionals for under-13 youth cricket unraveled, with NJ and DC poised for an epic clash.
The stage was set for a tale where passion meets determination. Young hearts beat fervently as the saga of potential cricket titans began to unfold.
Thanks to our sponsors, this match brimmed with excitement, a youthful extravaganza made possible by their generous support.
Shout out to Top Cricket Store, SMK Global, and North Jersey Youth Cricket Academy, who have laid the pitch where today's champions carved their legacy. Their contribution is pivotal as a well-timed cover drive.
NJ, stepping onto the green canvas, weaved a symphony of strikes and runs. Arav's century saga and a sturdy partnership set the scoreboard ablaze. Meanwhile, DC tried to douse the flames with sharp bowling, but extras played spoilsport, adding fuel to the fire.
The match melody changed with each wicket, a composition of highs and lows. NJ's crescendo came as Arav's blade danced, while DC's rhythm faltered under pressure, their pursuit of glory hindered by stellar bowling spells that turned the tide.
Arav's magnificent century saga was the cornerstone of NJ's innings, with Amil's brisk cameo painting the latter part of the canvas, propelling the score skywards.
DC, caught in a whirlwind, spun a web of tight overs but leaked extras. Strategic field placements and variations kept the contest taut, despite NJ's onslaught.
DC, chasing the stars etched by NJ, stumbled in the dusk. Partnerships flickered briefly, but NJ's bowlers, especially the incisive Arnav and Thammam, snuffed out hopes with surgical precision.
Amidst falling wickets, DC's batsmen sought to stitch a partnership, but NJ's bowlers, spearheaded by the tenacious Arnav, unraveled their fabric of resilience with unwavering focus.
Arav's bat roared, scripting a century saga, while Arnav's fierce spell cast a shadow over DC's ambitions, and Thammam's economical magic added to the allure.
The heroes of today, Arav with his willows artistry and Arnav with his bowling finesse, etched a narrative that swayed the match rhythm in NJ's favor.
Team NJ soared to a splendid victory by 82 runs, their fortress built on Arav's epochal innings and buoyed by a disciplined bowling ensemble that stifled DC's charge.
Tumultuous cheers for NJ's triumph, a tale of meticulous planning and execution. DC's spirit, undeterred in defeat, promises a journey of learning and growth. Fans leave the arena with hearts swelling with pride, the spectacle of youth cricket delivering drama, hope, and the promise of cricket's flourishing future.
As the dust settles on this encounter, Arav's century saga lingers in memory, a benchmark for the young warriors in their cricketing odyssey.